Hey everyone, Ajith here. You all have been seeing, right? The latest Figma video everywhere on YouTube and Instagram about Figma Schema. Let's take a quick look. I know most of you already heard about it, but some of you might be a little confused about what Figma Schema actually is. So this video is for you. So first, Figma Schema is not a new AI tool. It's actually Figma's official design system conference. Every year, Figma hosts this event where they talk about new updates, design workflows like AI features, and how teams will better design systems. It's basically where Figma share their future plans and new features with the design community. At Schema, you will see talks from design leaders from companies like Google, Uber, and Spotify. They discuss how design systems helps big teams stay consistent, how AI is changing the way we design, and how designers and developers can work together better. Figma also uses Schema to announce new tools like this year Figma make autoflow updates. So why does it matter for us designers? Because Schema gives us a clear view of where design is going next. Even if you are just starting, these sections helps you learn how professionals think about UX. Like the systems and workflows. So that's Figma Schema, an event all about learning, connecting, and building the future of design systems. If you want to stay updated about design tools, UX tips, and new AI tools, don't forget to subscribe and follow me here for more videos like this. See you in the next one.